Meet the CADET, Insinger's new Undercounter dishwasher. An impressive 3-in-1 machine, the CADET is the Swiss Army knife of dishwashing. It features 3 dedicated wash cycles: dishware, cookware, and glassware. Dishware mode is a standard 2-minute wash cycle with a normal final rinse. Cookware mode is a high-pressure extended 5-minute wash cycle with an elevated final rinse. Glassware mode is a gentle 2-minute wash cycle with an extended final rinse and dwell period. The CADET can handle 30 racks per hour using only 0.8 gallons of water per rack and conforms to Energy Star standards. Built-in atmospheric booster with dedicated pump provides consistent 180-degree hot water to properly sanitize ware. No additional booster required. Single-phase electrical connection, field convertible to 3-phase with included copper connectors. Stainless steel interchangeable wash and rinse arms provide superior cleaning with its oversized booster and heating elements. The CADET only requires 70 degrees minimum inlet water temperature, 110 degrees is recommended. A dedicated timed delime cycle eliminates limescale buildup and gives you the best results. The CADET features an innovative chemical priming system. Simply press 2 buttons simultaneously on the control panel and the machine takes care of the rest. Sound suppression line panels keep the machine quiet during operation. Full stainless steel construction inside and out. Designed for ease of access, all components are accessible from the front. Don't forget about our drip and dry drying rack, which pairs perfectly with the CADET. For more information, call our sales department at 800-344-4802, email us at sales@insingermachine.com, or visit insingermachine.com for details.